This is my unboxing of Chop Box. It's a place where you order really good meat from. And that's what the box looks like. So let's go in and see what's in it. Okay. Oh, they sent me a Mother's Day card. Happy Mother's Day, love. Lowell. I guess that's the person that put the box together. Nice card. Okay. That's the receipt. What else? I think this is just a thing about meat. Bring home to market. And it's got a cow, a chicken, a pig, and a fish. I think this might be like organic stuff. Anyway. Some bubble wrap. Some dry ice. And here it is. Dun, 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 dun. A big giant tomahawk steak. Let's put it over here. Look at that. Wow. Look at the bone in it. Let's turn that over. I never had a tomahawk steak, so I wanted to get one. And here it is. It says mini bone tomahawk steak, 44 ounce. Keep refrigerated. Use or freeze by May 16th, 2021. Well, it's definitely going to be used before that. Keep refrigerated or frozen. And that's the company it comes from. It was quite expensive. This was like 60 bucks, I believe. $65. And there's the dry ice in there. You gotta be careful with that to burn your fingers. But anyway, that's my giant tomahawk steak that I'm going to devour later on. It's really thick too. Oh, look how thick that is. Wow. But anyway, that's the unboxing from Chop Box, which I keep ordering from, of my tomahawk steak.